conditions. The scanner measures the exact body mass and physical size of each chilled barramundi. Green laser beams
Every fish is digitally cataloged, ensuring consistency and transparency throughout the industrial pipeline.
Base stringent grading, premium fish are guided left to process A. Simultaneously,
Guided by sensors, the Barramundi Fillet, model BA20, passes the temperature barrier, securing the product in the deep freeze. All pallets accounted for. Process A is finalized.
Confirmed. The trucks are prepped for immediate loading.
Process A confirmed. The temperature logger matches the manifest.
Excellent. Please sign here.
Barramundi Fillet, sir. Enjoy.
Thank you. It looks wonderful.
The thawed Barramundi Fillet, model BA20, shows excellent structure. A gentle press confirms the lack of water leakage, ensuring premium quality.
The crude barramundi fish oil is pumped through a series of complex filtration units, where impurities and gums are chemically.
The molecular distillation unit concentrates beneficial omega-3 fatty acids.
The ultra-pure, high-grade Barramundi fish oil flows along a stainless steel pipe into a deodorization chamber.
Final quality control confirms consistency.
The temperature is stable. We can begin packaging the high-grade oil.
As the bottles move rapidly into the sterilization chamber, they are cleaned with ozone sterilized air and heat.
A nitrogen blanket is injected into the headspace to displace oxygen. A high-speed robotic arm
This critical step ensures complete traceability back to the raw material source and processing data.
The robotic arm precisely groups the bottles, then swiftly moves them into the shrink wrapping tunnel, where rapid
The robotic palletizer ensures a uniform and stable stacking pattern. The finished secondary products are
confirmed stable and correctly labeled for international distribution.
Yes, the barcodes are linked and ready for transfer.
Derived from the finest barramundi offcuts, our high-grade fish oil undergoes rigorous testing, ensuring verified purity and concentration.
Here you are. Thank you very much.
알겠어.